The new Dollar Tree.
Hey guys, Cindy A. Lewis, and I just want to thank you for stopping by. This is a Dollar Tree haul, and if you know and watched any of my videos, you know that I am a bargain shopper, and I'm always looking for a bargain. I shop for a lot of things, not just for myself. I shop for church, for kids' church, for women's group, for special events that we do, all kinds of things that we're involved in. And so I am bringing you a Dollar Tree haul today. So remember to subscribe to my channel below and click the little button to be reminded, the little bell, so that you'll get notified next time I upload a video. I have a lot of videos on my channel. Just real quickly, I have all kinds of crafts and bargain shopping and Tuesday morning. And I just uploaded a giveaway that a winner just was announced today. So I hope that you will follow my channel and we'll get to know each other. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the Dollar Tree haul. So I had to stop by the Dollar Tree and pick up a few things, and I found a few things that I wanted to show you. And they still have a few books, and if you hadn't noticed, this is the book that I gave away recently in my Dollar Tree haul. And I have noticed, and I've seen comments, that the books seem to be thinning out at the Dollar Tree. So if you're seeing that, let me know too. I'm keeping track. I'm trying to look at the books when I go in, because sometimes I pick up extra so that I can bless someone. So anyway, this Geo Knits book is really cool. It has all kinds of projects in it if you are a knitter, so you might want to look for that. It's all color. It's really neat, and it was, of course, $1. And then they have this cool one too. It's called Fashion Geek, and it has all kinds of interesting things for clothing and accessories. And I thought that maybe someone might be interested in that too, and knowing that that was there. And it just says, you've seen it on the runway and the red carpet, clothing accessories that combine the world of fashion and the sleekness of technology. So anyway, I don't know, I haven't really looked in it yet too much, but I went ahead and picked that up too. And it was $1. So then Father's Day is coming up, so we'll be getting ready for Father's Day. And they have these cute favor boxes that are tuxedos, and I thought maybe we could do a black and white theme for dads and do something fun for them and use this as part of their favor, their gift. So anyway, picked those up at the Dollar Tree, so that I got 4 of those. And then I picked up some more of these trays. I love these trays to organize my papers and my envelopes, my sheet protectors, my coffee dyed paper, my chipboard, whatever, and then I can see exactly what I have and how much I have. And so I went ahead and picked up 3 more while they had them. A lot of times I've been to the Dollar Tree and they don't have them at all. And you may have seen in one of my hauls where I picked up some blue, some green, and pink, but I tried to get them 3 of the same and I couldn't. So 3 blue. All right. The next thing that I picked up are some things to do with the kids. If you saw my Hobby Lobby Mardell haul, I picked up some sponges. Now, okay, if they don't get out of my hands, I picked up some sponges to do the dots for the Pac-Man board, but these might be more the right size. So we can take this little piece off and just use these to make our dots along the Pac-Man route. And so I did pick the 2 of these up, and I'm excited about our theme. You know, it's really gonna be fun. And if you're wondering, the theme is the old arcade games like Pac-Man or Mario, and the whole room's gonna be changed for summer kids at church. So anyway, and I went ahead and picked up some lighter yellow plates. We'll see if we're gonna use those too. Then we needed some purple streamers, and Dollar Tree had the streamers, so I went ahead and picked those up. And then if anybody has seen these, now these are not for kids' church, actually my niece loves these. Have you seen these before? Do you know what they are? Okay, this is called, let me see if I can say it right, just a second. Okay, I think it's called a Tsum Tsum. These are really expensive at the store. Okay, this one is Elsa, I think. And then this one is Olaf. And they were $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I think these cost like lots of money. I don't even know how much they are. If you know how much the Tsum Tsums are, let me know. She collects them. She has a whole bunch of them. But these were only $1 at the Dollar Tree. These were the only two that they had. But these are Disney. And there's the tag. And really cool for the deal that you get. So anyway, if you're looking for those, your little girls or little boys or whoever collects those, keep your eye out. All right, so the next thing I did get is something I'm going to make a wreath for July 4th. And if you didn't see my table for Memorial Day, it was in remembrance table for those that have served in the armed forces and to remember my uncles, my great uncles, my uncle and Kevin's uncle. He's still with us, but all my uncles are not. And they served in the armed forces and made a cool USA in there, you know, like easy peasy craft, and then put some lights out and some candles that I had from last year from Dollar Tree. So it was a really pretty table setting, you know, on my dining table. So I'll link that video below too so you can see that. But anyway, I want to make a wreath for July 4th, and I thought it would be really easy to do. And I have several things I've picked up already, but I went ahead and I picked up the little hats. I'm going to add those to the wreath. And these are all July 4th. You get red and a white and blue. And then I picked up some garland, and I got 2 of them. And I think 2 will be enough for the wreath. And then I picked up a bow, big bow. And then I picked up one new sign that I hadn't seen at the Dollar Tree. And it's proud to be an American. And I really love this wood grain look. So I don't know if I'm going to keep the glitter part, but I definitely am going to put this in the middle. So anyway, that is my Dollar Tree haul. That's all I have today, but I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you are going to make something for Independence Day, I'd love to hear what you're going to be making. This video should be up hopefully at the end of the week. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. All right, well, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.